For former top cops who are now subjects of an ongoing probe because of claims from a Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR official of corruption and aiding a fugitive, it is only fair the allegation be substantiated and the actual culprit named. Despite this very damaging controversy, the current National Police Chief assured the morale of the police remains high. Daniel Manalastas tells us more.
24 former chiefs of the Philippine National Police are under investigation over allegations one of them might have helped dismiss Mayor Alice Go flee the country. During the DILG budget hearing, PNP Chief Romel Marbil voiced out his sentiments.
We're not happy with what he said. Since he's under oath, you have to tell us because it affects the whole organization. And remember, it's not the whole organization that PNP announced. It's the peace and order po ang naapekto dun sa sinabi niya. Just imagine, former chief PNP, it doesn't mean we allow it to the lowest mamal na tumatnaga po sa amin.
In light of these allegations, what could be the status of PNP morale?
High mahal naman po yung PNP. With all our accomplishment po, tuloy-tuloy naman po kami. We're not affected kasi trabaho lang po na ginagawa po ng Philippine National.
During the budget hearing of the DILG, senators sought the latest developments in Sulu in the wake of the Supreme Court's decision to exclude the island province from the BARM.
Kasi alam naman natin, naputulan na ng sweldo yung mga tiga-DILG sa Sulu, September 10. So, pwede ba na, Yusek, pwede ba natin gupitin?
Mr. Chair, nabigla po tayo lahat dito sa nangyari sa Sulu dahil biglaan na lamang tinanggal sila ng BARM at ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, they should be immediately executory. Kaya nga nakikipag-coordinate po kami sa Ministry of the Interior Local Government ng BARM. Baka naman po pwedeng for the meantime i-status ko namin.
The DBM is currently finalizing po yung DBM comments po on the budgetary issues and concerns po of the exclusion of the province of Sulu in the BARM.
Meanwhile, despite calls to abolish the NTF-ELCAC, government's counter-insurgency program, Secretary Abalos said,
para sa akin, hindi lamang dapat ipagpatuloy ito, lakasan pa at tutukan palalo para mapakita sa kanilang hindi sila nagsisi, naniwala sila na talagang magbagong buhay sila. Hindi ko po alam ang posisyon ng Makabayang Black. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang mga tao ay nagbabalik loob. Kung anumang nagawa nila laban sa gobyerno, and this is armed rebellion. Nagkuha sila ng armas para labanan ng gobyerno at sila ay nagbabalik loob na. Dapat lamang akapin natin sila.
Meanwhile, during the budget deliberations on the Bureau of Fire Protection, the group bared a wish list.
Ang challenge namin, Your Honor, is buildings are getting higher now. Kaya yung wish dream talaga namin na makabili sana ng chopper dahil in whole of Asia, Your Honor, tayo na lang po ang bumbero na walang firefighting capability na.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.